Now, sometimes these changes can be hard to understand. And for that, we are using AI to give you recommendations on when to use day parting. You get access to bid day parting, budget day parting, and placement day parting, and you get access to hourly data to understand the user behavior and make those changes. Now, sometimes analyzing this data can be hard. And for that, what SellerMate has done is we give you out of the box recommendations based on the patterns that we observe. For example, if certain campaign goes out of budget very frequently, we tell you, our AI keeps scanning your campaign patterns and will tell you when you want to increase the budget if it is a good campaign, or split the budget, let's say, if the campaign is not so great. If you want to implement this recommendation, you can click create day parting and it will automatically set the recommendation for you. You don't have to build the rule out of the box. You don't have to build the rule manually. Automatically, at the end of the day, the rule will reset your budget to the original amount after increasing it at 5:30 p.m. in this case. Now, in nutshell, what that means is you get access to tools that allow you to do day parting very easily using data. We give you AI recommendations to make sense of the data a little bit more easily for you. And we also help you keep a track of performance improvements at an hourly level based on the data that the rules that you have created.